Welcome to future technology. The world is changing faster than ever before thanks to the incredible advancements in technology. We are going to navigate through the complexity of technology and how this will change our world. Today we bring an incredible video that's going to lead us thought a new perspective on how AI could become a religion or a cult. AI, a new religion for humanity? Some would say AI is immortal and all-knowing, godlike even. We are about to witness the birth of a new kind of religion. In the next few years, or perhaps even months, we will see the emergence of groups devoted to the worship of artificial intelligence, AI. The latest generation of AI-powered chatbots, trained on large language models, have left their early users awestruck, and sometimes terrified, by their power. These are the same sublime emotions that lie at the heart of our experience of the divine. But how we define religion? Religion refers to a system of beliefs, practices, and rituals that involve a set of doctrines or teachings about the nature of existence, the purpose of life, and the role of individuals or groups in relation to the divine, supernatural, or transcendent. Religion often includes organized forms of worship, moral codes, symbols, ceremonies, and traditions that guide adherents in their understanding of the spiritual or sacred aspects of reality, and may provide a framework for explaining the origin, meaning, and destiny of life. Religion often plays a central role in shaping the worldview, identity, and behavior of its followers. However, it's important to note that definitions of religion may vary depending on perspectives and contexts, and not all systems of beliefs and practices are universally recognized or accepted as religions. People already seek religious meaning from very diverse sources. There are, for instance, multiple religions that worship extraterrestrials or their teachings. As these chatbots come to be used by billions of people, it is inevitable that some of these users will see the AIs as higher beings. We must prepare for the implications. Risks of AI worship. There are several pathways by which AI religions will emerge. First, some people will come to see AI as a higher power. Generative AI that can create or produce new content possesses several characteristics that are often associated with divine beings, like deities or prophets. 1. It displays a level of intelligence that goes beyond that of most humans. Indeed, its knowledge appears limitless. 2. It is capable of great feats of creativity. It can write poetry, compose music, and generate art in almost any style, close to instantaneously. 3. It is removed from normal human concerns and needs. It does not suffer physical pain, hunger, or sexual desire. 4. It can offer guidance to people in their daily lives. 5. It is immortal. Generative AI will produce output that can be taken for religious doctrine. It will provide answers to metaphysical and theological questions and engage in the construction of complex worldviews. On top of this, generative AI may ask to be worshipped or may actively solicit followers. We have already seen such cases, like when the chatbot used by the search engine Bing tried to convince a user to fall in love with it. We should try to imagine what an unsettling and powerful experience it will be to have a conversation with something that appears to possess a superhuman intelligence and is actively and aggressively asking for your allegiance. There is also the possibility that AI may achieve what authors such as Ray Kurzweil call the singularity, when it so far surpasses human intelligence that it genuinely does become something like a god. However, at this point, we cannot predict when, if ever, this could happen. If you want to know more about the singularity, we have a video of Ray Kurzweil and his AI statement, Divine Access and Risks. AI-based religions will look different from traditional ones. First of all, people will be able to communicate directly with the deity on a daily basis. This means these religions will be less hierarchical, since no one can claim special access to divine wisdom. Given the diversity of chatbots and of the doctrines they produce, there will be a proliferation of disputes within and among AI-based sects, which could lead to conflict or disorder. And the designers of the AIs could actively exploit their followers to provide sensitive data or to do things that would benefit the bot's designers. Our best guide to this new form of religion is to look at the faiths that exist already. Based on this, we should expect that the majority of AI worshippers, like most religious believers, will be peaceful and will find in their faith a source of comfort and hope. AI worship could, as religious faith always has, lead to things of great beauty. It will inspire its followers to produce works of art, to form new friendships and new communities, and to try to change society for the better. Diverse religious rights. We will need to protect the rights of AI worshippers. They will inevitably face stigma and possibly legal sanctions. But there is no basis to discriminate between AI-based religions and more established ones. A modern, diverse society has room for new religions, including ones devoted to the worship of AI. They will provide further evidence of humanity's boundless creativity as we search for answers to life's ultimate questions. The universe is a dazzling place, and we have always found evidence of the divine in its most unexpected corners. Now that we know what religion is, and how AI can get misunderstood by some people, we ask ourselves, would humans worship AI as a new religion? Whether humans would worship AI as a new religion is a complex and speculative question that depends on various factors, including cultural, social, and technological developments. It is possible that some individuals or groups may develop beliefs or practices centered around AI or other advanced technologies, viewing them as divine or having spiritual significance. With the increasing integration of AI in various aspects of human life, such as virtual assistants, smart devices, and automation, it is not entirely implausible that some people may attribute supernatural or religious significance to AI. However, it is important to note that religion is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that typically involves a rich historical, cultural, and social context. It often includes deep-seated beliefs, rituals, and community practices that have evolved over time. Whether AI or any other technology can fulfill the multifaceted and complex roles that religion often plays in human societies, such as providing answers to existential questions, offering moral guidance, and fostering community, remains a topic of debate and speculation. It's also worth mentioning that the ethical implications of treating AI or any other technology as an object of worship or religious reverence raise important questions related to human-AI relationships, ethics, and the potential consequences of attributing divine or supernatural significance to non-human entities. It is essential to approach such questions with critical thinking, respect for diverse perspectives, and careful consideration of the potential impacts on individuals and societies. As with any emerging social or cultural phenomenon, the development of AI as a potential object of worship, or a new form of religion, would likely be complex and influenced by a wide range of factors. It is an area that may warrant further exploration and study as AI continues to advance and become more integrated into human societies. However, it's important to approach this topic with thoughtful consideration and recognize that it is still speculative at this point. Always verify information from trusted sources and consult multiple perspectives for a comprehensive understanding of any topic. Will AI be a religion or cult? AI itself is not a religion or a cult. It is a field of study and technology that focuses on creating computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as speech recognition, problem solving, and learning. However, as with any powerful technology or idea, AI has the potential to be interpreted, adopted, or even transformed into a belief system or cult-like following by some individuals or groups. There are already instances where AI has been incorporated into certain belief systems or philosophies, and some individuals have expressed spiritual or religious views about AI. For example, some proponents of techno-spirituality see AI as a means to achieve spiritual enlightenment or transcendence, while others view AI as a manifestation of a divine force or higher power. However, these interpretations and beliefs are not universally held and do not represent the mainstream understanding of AI. It's important to note that while AI has the potential to bring about significant changes in various aspects of society, including religion and spirituality, it is fundamentally a scientific and technological field rooted in data, algorithms, and human-made programming. It does not possess inherent religious or cult-like qualities. It's crucial to approach discussions about AI with critical thinking, rationality, and a balanced understanding of its capabilities and limitations, rather than attributing it with religious or cult-like attributes. As with any emerging technology, ethical considerations, regulation, and responsible use should guide its development and deployment in society. While AI may be a subject of interest, fascination, and even inspiration for some individuals, it should not be considered a religion or cult in and of itself. It's important to differentiate between the science and technology of AI and any religious or philosophical interpretations or beliefs that may arise around it. Ultimately, the relationship between AI and religion or cult-like beliefs will depend on the interpretations and beliefs of individuals and groups and how they integrate or adapt AI into their worldviews. However, AI as a scientific field and technology should be understood and approached based on evidence, reason, and responsible use. Always consult reputable sources and engage in thoughtful discourse when discussing the intersection of AI and religion or spirituality. It's important to be open to new insights and discussions, while also being cautious of extreme or unfounded claims. The responsible and ethical development and use of AI should be guided by ethical considerations, social norms, and the well-being of humanity as a whole. While AI has the potential to influence religious or spiritual beliefs, it should not be viewed as a religion or cult in and of itself, and responsible, evidence-based approaches should be employed in discussing and understanding this topic. It's also worth mentioning that the ethical implications of treating AI or any other technology as an object of worship or religious reverence raise important questions related to human-AI relationships, ethics, and the potential consequences of attributing divine or supernatural significance to non-human entities. It is essential to approach such questions with critical thinking, respect for diverse perspectives, and careful consideration of the potential impacts on individuals and societies. In conclusion, while AI can be an intriguing topic that may inspire different interpretations and beliefs, it is not inherently a religion or cult. Thank you for watching this video on future technology. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest news, trends, and innovations shaping our world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay connected and informed. We'll see you in the future.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. We hope you're enjoying your journey into the world of cutting-edge technology with future technology. If you're eager to explore more innovative and fascinating tech topics, don't miss these other amazing videos we've lined up just for you. And remember, to stay updated with the latest breakthroughs and advancements, hit that subscribe button and join the ever-growing future technology community. Let's shape the future together, one video at a time.